I just want to put a disclaimer to not look at my sister's butt.
It's gonna make
Or mine.
one look at both of our butts.
This lighting is horribly.
You're filming?
You're filming!
Makes noise.
Look at guys.
I go slow.
Ben knew.
They didn't. Anyways, so we're painting the bathroom. This is our bathroom, pretty much. Like, you know, the parents'
This
have
side of the
bathroom.
house.
This side of the house is our side of the house, literally. This is our new shower curtain for spooky time. But we're painting this white. So yeah, we're just gonna take everything down, take down all the towels and such, and then wipe down all the stuff, all the walls, because there's a lint. I can literally look at that. Ew.
Okay, I'm gonna get a brush.
She's brushing her hair to paint.
No, I'm putting my hair up and I...
You care what it looks like?
Huh?
You care what it looks like? Towels. Jason. That's why she's painting with me. Guys, look at my face. It's so pretty. Oh! Oh! That did not sound good. Oh.
I want the bottom so we know this. If you wanted me to clean up there down here, so...
That was hilarious. Oh. I'll get you cereal now.
I told you.
What are you doing?
It's a little
And if you don't, you're cheating.
What? Why? Ew, look at your eye. You look like Sid the Sloth. Because you stepped on my butt. Oh, rude.
Alright. Now we can get started. Okay, so I think I'm gonna just back it up. Something's waiting for me. I'm so excited to be something that. Okay, so this one sounds like water. So we're gonna see. I might need a mixing stick, so don't come in here.
Oh.
It breaks in half.
Oh, I would love that. Look at you bending it.
No. And I knew we should have gotten a can opener.
That looks horrible. That should be the thumbnail.
So the mixing of that paint took 20 minutes of my life because it was in my mom's car forever. And I don't even think it's mixed all the way, but my mom said it was fine. You need to go get the other one of this. I forgot it. That was this bad. No, I almost did. I read it, didn't throw it away. It's on the note table. Got the paintbrushes and the other roller. I really hope someone could find the other one. I don't want to go back out there. I'm taking out these paintbrushes. I just want to see if the paint is okay, and if not, I need to put it back. Of course you can't. Told you.
Find what?
I'll go frickin' look right now. I want to see what this looks like.
That is the same thing, basically.
I think it's gonna need 2 coats. That's why. Because it literally looks the same.
It does.
Or it's a primer. Well, actually,
I mean...
I think it's just gonna need 2 coats because it's white.
Like
Like
wait
mommy's
for
room.
it to dry. Stop messing with my ponytail.
It's not
It's a braid?
It's a braid.
Alright, so I'm gonna go look for the frickin' paint roller because Puma couldn't find it. We're back. Puma's coming in. I'm gonna paint this wall, and then she's gonna start painting that wall, and then I'm gonna switch it over. Okay, so you're looking at my eyes. So so I'm gonna put the ladder inside of there and get up there because somebody has to. So
You're so stupid. Okay. Oh, there's a razor. You're looking using my hand. You got new ones. Oh. Okay. Why do I think smart? Okay. Is it gonna be quiet enough? Or should?
Where's that?
Go to bed.
Oh my god, I didn't even see you there.
Anyways, what do I do? I don't know. It's crunchy. I don't know what to do. Give me my phone. If you can. Evelyn! I'm getting it! Oh my god, Evelyn. I got it. My speaker. If you broke my phone.
So as you guys saw, or you didn't see it fall into the paint, but it fell like upside down into the paint. The lighting is just immaculate. Me and my mom spent a while getting the paint out. I'm not mad at Pumba, like, because, hold on. You can wirelessly charge your Samsung on a pad. So for now it's just sitting on the pad, and just the charger port doesn't work, at least for now, until further notice. Maybe we can scrape the paint out, but most likely it's not going to work because it's spread out a little bit, so it's kind of gross. Kind of like, see this paint, for example, let's take my hand for example, you can't scrape this off because it's spread out, so like that's, some of my phone looks like that. And it says I have moisture detected in the thing. It's fine, I can charge it, so I'm not that worried about it. As long as that works, then I'm fine. Yeah, we're gonna continue painting tomorrow because we're just not in the mood to paint now. We made a lot of progress, so that added a little spice to my video. That's cool. Thanks for the content, Pumba. She's feeling bad. I don't know why. I'm not mad at her. I mean, like, I'd feel bad too if it were your phone. So I'll see you guys tomorrow or whenever we paint again.
That kind of looks like it.
Everybody says that.
What?
Wait, that kind of looks like it. Our bathroom?
Yeah.
Wait, how? What?
Wait, are we covering this? No, right? I'm getting, like, can I have the rag? Give me the rag.
Who's got what it takes to be
I don't know how long that hasn't been recording, but we're gonna take a break because it needs to dry before we can continue. She got her granola bar. So I'll see you guys in like 20 minutes-ish. Yeah. Okay, so you can't see my face, but I'm finishing the edges over here. Almost done, pretty much. I used to do this. If you watch my videos for a while, you know I used to do that in the camera every 3 seconds.